Very good evening, friends. Good afternoon, friends. This is Ujjwal again. Once again from the Jar Fund, I am going to tell you how exactly the process works. This is my second tutorial regarding the Jar Fund income planning. So first of all, please subscribe my channel and also like, comments, and share. Because if you subscribe my channel, I think you can also get the next tutorial that will be coming on this tutorial part. So please subscribe my channel. Also like your comment. If you like the video, you also can like the like option, and you and in the description section there is my link. Please go to the link and get yourself registered to my Jar Fund account. As soon as you register yourself, you will be getting yourself updated. Also join in my team so that you can earn also. So first of all, I would like to describe how exactly Jar Fund works, because it is not so complication. There is no some complicated things that you exactly thinking about the planning. So first of all, I will go from the Jar Fund script. This is the Jar Fund script. I show you how exactly this works. See, this predictable. This is actually Jar Fund planning that somebody has exactly made. So I can exactly show you how it exactly works. First of all, you are in the level 1. You see, level 1, you have to donate 0.03 Bitcoin. So if you deposit 0.03 Bitcoin to your upline means your those who have sponsored you, who have sent you referral link. Like me, I have my referral link downwards. If you join, you just have to give 0.03 Bitcoin to your upper link so that you can become the first level 1. So if you join in this team, you must have your number 2 members. You must source 2 members. See, in this world there is nothing tough to get 2 members in your link. I don't think that in this social media right now, those who have internet, those who are in this internet modern connection, we have more social site like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp group. We have many friends, many social circle, and people only believe you from the social circle who exactly can see that this exactly business how it exactly works. So if you join to the level 1, you must have from the next day you must source 2 member. Okay, and these 2 members will give you again 0.03 each. These 2 member means under you. Friends, let me clear you about the fact that it is all about only 2 people you have to give, not much. You don't need to have source much, because you cannot also make joining directly from a different side. It is not like that you are joining from this side, you are joining from this side, you are joining this side. No, but it's only 2 people, just 2 person you have to join from in your team, and rest is exactly done by from your superior, from your upliner. If you join from this side, if you join from other side, if you join from others, no, you have to just give it 2%. So each of you will donate you 0.03 exactly, right? So you will have 0.06 in your wallet. So you have received 0.06 wallet, right? Next, what you have to do, you have to upgrade yourself. You have to upgrade yourself to level 2, because you are in level 1. You will be willing to get yourself upgraded to the level 2, because it's only 6 level income. You have to just complete the 6 level. Friends, it's not like that you will be doing the same thing all the year around. You have to just complete the 6 level. So first you join with yourself. You must source 2 person who will be donating you 0.03 in your wallet. So it will be 0.06, and then you receive 0.06 Bitcoin, and you have to upgrade to level 2. You must give 0.05. My dear friends, from 0.06 you donate 0.05. So how much you profit? You got the profit, you got 0.01, which is in the dollar, you can say $6.06. Sorry, $6.06, right? Okay, after you have completed this second grade, you are in this grade in 0.05. You have to collect from your 2 members, those who have joined under your team. You have to collect 0.05 from those people, because these 2 people will also recruit 2 people. So in order to go to the level 3, you have to collect 0.05 from 2% from your downline. Your downliner right now have 2%. These 2% will also want to get to level 1, so they will collect 0.03, 0.03, right? So what you have to do, if you want to go to the next level, you must collect 0.05 from 2 most downliner, those who have already joined in your team. So if they deposit 0.05, then you will be getting 0.10. Okay, that means you right now have 4 members. Clear? Because 2 people have had already joined 2 people in their team, so it is right now 4. So you receive 0.20 Bitcoin because they are already 4. So out of this, you upgrade yourself to 3. That means from 2 you want to upgrade to 3, right? From 2 you want to upgrade 3. That means you must have 3 minus 0.10, means 0.10 is in your profit, because 0.20 minus 0.10, that means 0.10 is your profit. Right now you have $60.70, my dear friends. Next, you have already got promoted to level 3. So what you have to do right now, you have to collect 0.10 from your downline team. So what is right now your team? Right now the team is already 8, because these 4 people have already recruited 2% each, that is 8 people. So these 8 people from the downline, they will give you 0.10. 0.10 from next 2% of your downline. That means there is 8%. So that is 0.80. 0.80 is your donation you will receive. So what you have to give? You have to give 0.20 from this collection. So if you have already given 0.20 to your upline, you will be getting profit as 0.60. That means $364.20 US. My dear friends, next is 4 level. 4 level means you have to donate 0.20. So 0.20, that means you will require 5 into 0.20, that is 1 Bitcoin. So you have already 16 members from in your team, so you will receive 3.20 total, and out of that, in order to get promoted to the 5th level, you have to give 1 Bitcoin, my dear friends. So from 3.20 Bitcoin, if you donate 1.00 Bitcoin, you will still have in your hand 2.20 Bitcoin, that is $1,335.40 US. Next is level 5. My dear friends, see, there is only 1 Bitcoin, that is to donate to the next level. So if you want to upgrade yourself, you can still leave this level if you don't want to carry on. So if you leave that one, means you will be receiving $1,335.40 by investing only how much amount? 0.03. But you will not leave, I think, because you want to earn more. So if you want to leave from this level, you just quit this level, you get your pocket money like $1,335.40. But if you want to upgrade, because your ambition will be like that, more, I want to earn the 6th level. So if you want to go to the 5th level, then if you decided that you have to just deposit 1 Bitcoin, and you have received 1 Bitcoin from 2, that is, you have already 32 members. So you have received donation from 32%, each donating 1 Bitcoin, means you have received 32 Bitcoins. So if you have received 32 Bitcoin, you have to just give 2 Bitcoin to get upgradation. So that means you have in your hand 30 Bitcoins. So in US dollar it is 18,210 US dollar, my dear friends. Next is, you can also leave. If you want to, don't want, okay, I have received 18,210, okay, I don't want to carry on, I just want to quit. Okay, you can quit by receiving this money, 18,210. But I think, my dear, you will not, my dear friends, you will not quit, because you have to get the next level, that is the last level, level 6. So right now in level 6, you have to donate only 2 Bitcoin. You don't need to upgrade. This is the last stage of the level, because you already achieved the 6th level. So you have members already 64, because each of downline already upgraded themselves. It is 64 members in your hand. So you have received 128 Bitcoin. You don't have to give any donation, my dear friends. So this is a 128 Bitcoin right now you have earned through through jar fund. This is predictable, my dear. This is not unpredictable. This is predictable, and you have received already $77,696 US dollar. So in this total amount, that means you have total invested from 03, 05, 0.010, 0.20, 1, 2, 3. That means total 3, and here is 30, 35, 38. So 3.38 Bitcoin you have invested throughout your circle, but only from your pocket you have invested 0.03. This is from your profit. So 0.03 and all these things, if you add all this level, you have invested, you have earned 3.38 by recycling it through this system. And with this scientific system, you can see that you have earned 97,672.37 US dollar, my dear friends. So this is what can 97,672.37 per month for you. Is it the question? So if you friends, my dear, don't believe in this business, this is totally scientific business. This business can give you only the unlimited, the sky is the limit. You can earn as much as possible. From level 1 to level 6, in any level you can quit. There is no boundary that you have to keep on joining. You have to keep on recruiting. You can join from the level 2. You can leave from the level 2. You can leave from the level 3. If you have the ambition of the sky is the limit, that is only achievable through this jar fund business. This is only the possible, because this jar fund can only give you the mind satisfaction of your target. So 128 bitcoins is the main target for your life. So what exactly 128 bitcoin? Let us go to the site that 128 bitcoin, how much exactly. If you multiply, if you go to the site, if you write down the bitcoin price, 128 bitcoin in rupees. Okay, so if we click on 126 bitcoin, it is like that. Convert to bitcoins. I write down here because I have to see how much exactly 128 bitcoins in Indian currency. 128 bitcoins convert to Indian rupees. How much means 10,000. My dear friends, you can see 80,59,765.92 Indian rupees. So you can see how exactly works. This is possible, my dear friends, in jar fund. So you have seen how exactly jar fund works. Jar fund is totally scientific system. In passive income, what you can earn? Passive income, we are doing 5 to 10 work every day. You hard work, no security, no time. Active income, this is employees give you. A passive income is easy work, stability, spare time, no debts, plenty of money. 5% people works in exactly 95% of wealth receives, but 95% people gets the 5% wealth, because this is, if you are in job, if you're working job, what you will do? You go out early in the morning. You go out early in the morning. You go to the people, ask for your system, what exactly works, but you cannot get you can only receive the salary, nothing else. But in passive income, you receive what exactly you want to earn. In the passive income, it will continue to give you. You are in the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. In only the bitcoin that you will be investing for rolling. It is not like that. And suppose if you have invested 3.03, you don't have any percent, but 2% in your hand. So what you will do? You don't have to you don't have to worry, because if you don't have any 2% who will rely upon you to give you 0.03 each, then you can wait, because your superior, your upliner will always help you. And once the upliner will give you 0.03, that means you can quit with the money that you have invested, because you have nothing worry about your investment. Your investment money is in your pocket. You can quit with your 0.03 whenever the upliner will refer you 0.03 in your pocket. Okay, so this business is exactly tension free business. You don't have to worry that my money will lost, I will not receive my money. So my dear friends, you have understood what I have just now shown in the chart, because this is a simple chart that I have shown you how to earn this amount, how to earn this business. This is a legal business. You can do as fast as possible. So friends, join in the download link that I have provided. Also subscribe my channel, and this is the link I have provided, because I have already getting responses of around 150 people to join in my team. But those people who will be joining,